get persons for the house. I really don't know how they feel right now. So we get BBN, Pepper Them Gang, and Pepper Them Squad.
Nope.
You understand? I will call that the first return. You know they call that one. And I'll have a return from the mission. But anyway, I don't get fair game. I get Avala in the house, Abi.
Yes.
And then
Isilomo.
Isilomo, they put your mouth on the microphone.
Sorry.
Don't look me.
I never did this one.
Face your microphone. Everybody with the house will hear you directly. Alright, for those of you where they enjoy the Big Brother where they happen right now, so when I don't say yes, then 2 people come up for the house. And they not just come up for the house like that, they come out to tell how the story be and how their workers they go. So Avala, have fun now.
Hello.
How you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah,
She just a smile.
That's because I let me see in mouth myself. But there's no worry, there's smile. So far, how the season be for you?
Oh, it was actually very, very.
Wait first. If you speak pidgin.
No.
Try.
Try now. Now, what did they speak for you? If you keep people that
You're not there, the house again.
No, I don't know how to. I know.
Try. Just try. How the thing be for you?
The thing be.
The thing be
I'll chop now.
You chop now, yeah, they speak the English, they put us.
Okay, let me do my Naija accent.
Flow like that.
Yes, it was very, very interesting and fun. We had a very good time.
She said they're interesting and fun and very good time. Oh.
Yes,
Continue.
Yeah. And it was quite emotional for me, and I had to find a balance of staying in, getting to know the other housemates.
She said it touched her feelings, so she can try to know how she can go with other housemates.
Yes.
Okay, so but when you say quite emotional for you now, maybe because you never stay with people that many before for your life.
Oh, no.
How many have been from the house?
21.
In your house?
Well, I mean, my house?
Yes.
Oh, we're
not
8
for Big
kids.
Brother.
We're 8 kids.
Yeah, did you people all of them and stay together?
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
our house will be 12, so we nearly reach like Big Brother. So.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so very emotional for you.
Yeah.
And you come, oh, you have your emotions, so easy.
She goes, I no need that interpreter not needed.
Easy, which way now? Okay, throw your experience.
Wait, anywhere better face.
Now front.
Okay,
Yeah.
so but how it be for you? So
Sorry. It was good. No be like anything I don't ever experience from my life.
oh really?
I feel to live with house with like 21 people no easy. It was very emotional as Avala don't talk. It was hot. Everybody they cry, everybody they yarn their personal matter. You know, it was good. I not portray that experience when in the world. I'm grateful.
Okay, so when you say I get 1 or 2 questions to ask you for here. You know, say is there some people before you condone it, they drop questions like they say why you always they remove your wig.
Because it's hot and you know. That's yesterday, but you
the
know,
condition hot.
it's my hair.
Oh,
It's my head.
Okay.
If I want to Commot my wig, I go Commot my wig.
Yes,
I fine with wig, I
Yes,
fine
so.
without
wig.
wig. So make una just dey enjoy like that.
Not tell
May
now.
they enjoy the
Make
viewership.
dem enjoy am like that.
As they see you, may they take you.
Make dem take me, you get am.
Okay, to mama.
Eh?
You know, so when she talk and say fire with wig. Anyone,
You want me to come on? You say that one the apple
But
back
to mama for you, no feel come on your wig.
No, what we did that.
So you don't see woman, like you now where they confident of
Baba,
you.
the wig don't come.
Oh my God! But you don't get anyone to come on.
No, braids all the way.
Your braids all the way, I mean.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so but say you do music.
Yes, I do.
You get the opportunity to do anything like you shout with your voice on top when you probably start for the audition, then when you even did the house.
Did I have an opportunity to?
Yes.
Yeah, like you just start, just take flash yourself one kind.
No, I didn't get that opportunity because I actually thought I was going to be there a lot longer.
Oh.
So I was assessing the vibe and the people that was there for that.
You don't know say the game, the action one so.
Yeah, I didn't,
As
and
I
also I
start.
didn't really know won't get a chance to get people to vote either. So it was supposed to be, and Biggie already told us we were not. There was no eviction, so it came as
so they wash you now.
Sure.
It's like you wash you now.
Yes,
Normal
it scared us very.
No. So what happened? We say you not really you get your own game plan.
Yes.
Okay, and
Yes.
Biggie get your own game plan.
Yes, he does.
Sorry, yourself, you not know something I'm based like that.
I don't know. It shocked me die. I don't expect them.
You never expect it.
Never expected it. The thing just almost like the day before I been thinking, you know if you go now. How you go just go like that first week for what? Because honestly, no be like say I get pride, but I been think say at least I go manage stay till like the second month. At the very least, bad as the bad. But it shocked me.
It must really shock you. Yes, you be HR.
Oh yeah, I be
and you
HR
leave your
manager.
job to go this business.
I leave my job, but I don't think that was a mistake. I heard. Everybody knows saying that for this media space and one day.
No, you go actually did this. Your mouth talk for this
I did that space. So HR was good, but that no be my team.
True.
This not my team.
And your team is not already start. So when I don't hear.
Okay. One quick question. How una feel about the whole now una don't come out? How una feel about the whole eviction? Una see one or two talks out there. What una feel?
I'm actually very grateful because I saw the reactions of the fans and how they showed me so much love and support. There was a lot of people that was trying to, obviously we have trolls, but other than that I've been extremely grateful and I thank God.
Okay, so you did great for you, thank God.
Yes.
Paying you say that good.
Yeah, but I entered the Big Brother house.
Finally, see how the audition actually be for you, because somebody did my house yesterday. she say physiotherapist. So when she don't finish her work on go, so they watch the program. Anyhow, my father don't join them. I tell you now, so I talk to you. So my father did even ask my younger sister, say why you not go. Now that girl say me way go. I feel enter. You understand me? Because I heard the crowd and the population for you to even get that selection at all. How you even feel yourself? Say how they call you? Have you said the people they say I know that the arrangers. They don't already know where they want bring.
No,
I need to clear that one here and right now. No, how you take enter the Big Brother? Let people hear the truth. Make them know say not be set up.
I woke up 5 a.m. in the morning, went on the line. I didn't enter till 6 p.m. in the evening. And when
6 p.m. in the evening.
Yes,
oh crew.
Yeah. Yes, it was very stressful. They were in the sun. People were pushing. People at my audition saw me.
Where your audition been there?
Lagos.
For Lagos, yeah.
Yes.
Which center that one day?
That's in Ikeja.
Okay. So you go 5 a.m. in the morning.
5 a.m. in the morning.
Not enter till 6.
6. So.
You really need the Big Brother before.
I auditioned for Abuja.
Okay.
I wake up same 5 a.m. In fact, that first day, they pour pepper spray for my eye.
The crowd?
They try to control crowd. So in the process of, in fact, I won't punch the bouncer, but you know, if you do that,
you feel like we go beat 2 bouncers. Normally, because like when you now you enter the church in everybody now.
Me.
Now you first take over the now you first take over and call and say okay now at this point now you happy.
Not me. But I auditioned like everybody else. I stood in line like everybody else. I got there, the second day around like maybe like 11 and not leave till like 9, 10. And then even after that one, the waiting game day long. They go just keep you on cruise. Better cruise like that. Long. But we
no sleeping.
No sleeping.
We're all scared.
But at least finally we actually make it into the house. So for those of you that were there, 0700 100102 that number to call if you want to talk to your favorite Big Brother housemates that they here, Avala and Isilomo. And before we ask you any questions, say people will still call now to tell us. And now the what do you call eviction, Abby? They happen when?
Okay, yes. Guys, the live eviction show airs on Sunday at 7 p.m. on African Magic Showcase, channel 151.
Channel waiting 151.
151.
Okay, so channel 151 and then they happen live. Plus I know that channel and be showcase a bit. Yes, no, I don't really live.
No,
that's why I don't get this in us.
no, we'll not get it.
Don't get this.
We'll not get it.
Back it, yeah. Hello. Oh yeah, if you call us 0700 100102
Your
0700
favorite.
100102 9 be the number to call. We get Isilomo and Avala for the house here, Big Brother housemate with they here live and they don't come out for. Okay, now when you can't find out, say okay. Then nobody nominate you for this thing, Abi. So when I don't be one say okay, I they put you for mine, say now you call me out, Abi.
So,
Who they there?
We there, yeah.
Hey,
Who be that?
na Godson dey talk.
Okay, Godson, you know the people in the house, Abi?
Yes, na Avala. Looking for Avala.
Oh, see, she there, Avala, your crew, they talk to you.
Avala, man.
What's
See,
up?
I know vex too because the way we una Commot was not a fair one. Actually, me, I have been waiting for nomination. But all the same, you guys did well. Isilomo, I love your realness as you Commot your week.
You know even when the week
I don't even when the week come today.
So they very real.
And then, Avala, you were not one of those that were forming accent, and I saw how real you were. You guys were real too.
Thank you
Thank you very
so
much. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Big Brother, fix the shop now. Carry them, go back.
There's been all this looking for bring back Isilomo movement, bring back Avala movement. I woke up this morning on Twitter to see all of that. It bust my brain.
It bust your brain.
It bust my brain.
But when I know say with Biggie, nobody they really produce. Now every truth. So
Remember that last time when they Commot people like that, they go put them for another house. So maybe another house now to come house first.
Abi.
Mom will just go.
then they come down and go the other one waiting for a bed down. That time, right? Hello. Who they there? Hello. Oh yeah, now my bro. Hurry up! You need to talk fast. Who did the line? You say? Larry, put your mouth for inside your microphone, whatever you use to talk, your telephone, put your mouth inside so that we will hear you well. Okay, where you call from?
Hey.
She's supposed last try, Abi.
Thank you, my brother.
We'll shake Big Brother leg just now.
I think I like that. Correct next
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Even the way you take they do, say if they let you vote, say if you feel slow, vote for them. But the way you take they talk, you way you take they talk, they even talk the word come out straight. They slow, and you know say okay rough or rubber means the time not day. You understand me? So you need to hurry up. Bring up the gist. So, but you like the whole experience now before they come up for the house, right? Okay, no wahala. At least then they happy now. Nobody get water for your eye. They hype talk. They gingered. Because if you feel enter that Big Brother, my brother can't go. If you feel enter that Big Brother at all, you understand? With the entire struggle, somebody go 5 o'clock, come out, enter 6 o'clock. This one 9 o'clock from 11 o'clock. You don't already win now. You don't know. I just say the money not there near you. So if you tell us how to vote, right?
Well, if you want to vote, if you vote via the website www.africanmagics.tv/Big Brother, or if you download the DSTV or my GoTV app and register. Make una know say voting ends on Thursday. So if una want keep your favorite person for the house, I sabi this one. If una want keep your favorite person for the house, make una vote one time.
Okay. And also you can text and name the housemate to 32052.
Text again, say it again.
Text both and name your favorite housemate to 32052.
Okay, so when I don't hear from them and they're very important. But before you could go, you been to stay UK too?
No.
Where did they stay before?
Why you
actually
take get your accent as you know they stay UK?
no, I'm American. I
my country girl. Yo. What going on? Peace, yo. They're right.
Damn right.
Yeah, I'm out there chilling with my crew. Yo, which country you be?
I'm Nigerian, but I've lived in the UK.
Yo, you British.
Yeah, you know
I
what I mean.
was born partly in you know, you cry.
I got you.
You got me?
You got
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
those of us who they born for Nigeria.
Yo, bro. Okay, so what will be your next step after Big Brother right now?
Oh, next step definitely not to enter media space. So if not radio, not media, and hosting, acting.
Yeah.
No slack, oh.
No slack,
slack.
oh. Girl, I be a dope babe.
Yes, so yeah, follow them.
Where go? Yee. No, this one already win.
So now to enter there fully, still waiting day. Anything, man, make people give me the make I sign because celebrity without money for bank account not dead.
Let me say that. Okay, so what you go do? What you go do that? Call your social media handle just now.
Okay, make una go follow me on Instagram.
Yeah.
It's at king_Isilomo. You fit get me on Twitter at king_Isi. And not so if you go my page, all my other socials not there.
Some my other socials you go where.
Avala.
Yes.
Your own because this Big Brother just shut down, so you understand. Just for inside the house, you still be Big Brother housemate for as long as you could be till new housemate will come for another set.
Of course.
Wait to be your next level.
Oh, I'm into my music. Yes, I sing. There's I have a few songs out. 99 featuring Ladipo. Yeah. Give Me Chance. Produced by SARS.
Oh, crew.
Yes.
I'm like friends with Cardi. Cordelia. I'm friends with Cordelia, so I'll hook you up. You don't get problem.
Cordelia, not be Cardi B.
Now I go get some money, get level, and they tell you so. But just push your music straight up, no time. Tell me the same because you can't resist. You know this guy Victoria Kimani for between so.
Sure.
I get good eyes, Abby. I don't want you down. I get good eyes.
Sister like us, not say you get good eye.
So you don't get this song, so they wait for you to drop the songs and all that. Drop them because at the time it is now. And also, where be your handle and the rest?
Okay, guys, you can follow me on Looking for Avala on Twitter and on Instagram.
What will be the
Looking for Avala?
Oh. If you tell person don't say now your hand will be that already. Looking for.
Look at the 4 figure.
4 now.
Figure.
Alphabet or figure or date of birth.
4.
4 for.
No. The letter F-O-R.
Oh,
F-O-R.
Yes.
F-O-R for Avala. Okay, cool. Now, what be your reaction when you come out, see what people talk about you guys when you're inside the house? How you feel after?
They really want to familiar. How to say? Yeah, so they say that I was quite emotional a lot, and they wanted me to have more screen time, and I just wanted to assess the room.
Now you don't know now. Say the step for life now, not the assessment.
Yes. Once you get something, you have to actually grab it. Of course.
Because the time for you today, because you already don't say a lot.
But Baba, you know, say now all of the strategy be now it is so like that. So they say
the one we rig. You not tell you now.
We all have different personalities. That was my own.
Okay, that was
okay. Now you did relationship like that.
Yes, I am.
You there, and I make you weak.
You think so?
You see, I think so.
Oh, I doubt it.
You doubt it, Abi? What are you? You're not really there.
I'm not there at all. Not really.
I'm not there at all. You're not there at all, Abi?
At all.
Don't worry, they'll be involved now. Just come and say stress. You said that just make sure say you did the one way you do it because the offers the way when you come, where they follow this Big Brother, I'll be here. See my hand.
Woo!
Okay, right.
I want
you know they know that. not be here. Time
Yeah,
not there.
so-
But I trust they will actually keep her real and do her well because people are not be in over end. Even everybody don't do Big Brother before now. So how you take care of your life?